The best thing about summer in Zagreb is enjoying a glass of cold gemišt, white wine mixed with sparkling water. Hi, my name is Andrea and today I'll teach you how to prepare the most refreshing Zagreb wine drink. The word gemišt means mixed in German. Yes, our beloved drink started out by pouring wine and soda water into the same glass. But since then, variations in ingredients and mixing techniques grew into a fully fledged mixology. The best wine for a gamisht is dry, light and slightly acidic white wine. In Zagreb, this is Kralivina, an indigenous variety that has been our staple for the last 200 years. Kralivina still grows in the very city. Here in Jasbina, at the foot of Medvednica mountain, the Faculty of Agriculture runs its experimental grape-to-wine station. Jasbina vineyards specialize in indigenous varieties, including Kralivina. Tell us, how did Kralivina get its name?
We have two theories about the origin of the name. One is the first Kralivina wine found on a hill called Kraljevic. And the second is that Kralivina was favorite wine of King Bela IV, who granted Zagreb the status of free royal city.
Now it's time to mix our wine with some bubbles. Veronica is new to a gamisht, and this makes her a perfect taster. Originally, wine was mixed with soda water and the drink was called spritzer.
Okay, so what is the ratio of wine to water?
The standard is pol-pol, which means half and half.
And if I wanted to have it lighter?
Sure, you can make the so-called slim or sport gemišt. You can use your fingers to say a finger of wine and a finger of water.
Could I do that the other way around?
Yes, when a party gets going, we pour a finger of wine and a finger of water. And if you serve wine in a small glass with just a sprinkle of water, you get a drink called špricer.
That's great, but it's a lot of options. What if I just want to mix my own?
Sure, then we'll just order litru I vodu.